In this video, I will show you how to insert picture in Excel cell. So we can see this is the cell, and if you need to insert the picture here, so insert shape and select a rectangle, this one, and press and hold Alt key and draw the picture like this. Okay. Now here shape fill, select picture and insert any picture. Select it, any picture. Now to change the size for this cell, so picture will be appear properly. Now adjust your picture like this. Same, insert shape rectangle, press and hold Alt and just draw the shape fill picture and select another picture. Now change this size. So this way you can insert the picture in Excel. Insert shape and select rectangle, press and hold Alt key and draw. Adjust shape fill and picture like this, and easily you can insert pictures in Excel. Thanks for watching.